Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you an update on the Traxxas Drag Slash. Well, as always, I'd like to take a second and just say thank you for stopping in and taking a look at another one of my videos, and I really hope that this benefits you in some way. Now with that out of the way, let's get to it. Traxxas has been so nice as to give us yet another update on the Traxxas Drag Slash. This time they appear to have given us all of the data on the model, so let's go over a few of the highlights. Here we finally get a look at the chassis in the Traxxas Drag Slash, and this does appear to be the pretty typical standard Slash with the low CG chassis. Now there is a different shock tower on the rear of this model, and there appears to be the same size shock all the way around, so that may be a move just to get the body to fit properly. Traxxas has given us the dimensions of this chassis with a wheelbase at 12.9 inches, a total width at 11 inches, and a total length at 29.7 inches. In this photo, we do have a confirmation that this is a rear-mounted motor. This may be a little disappointing to some, but not really a shocker. Traxxas appears to be going with the same old standard plastic drive shafts that have been around for forever, but knowing Traxxas, there will be an upgrade for metal ones in the future. These are the same shocks that have been in existence for forever, just like the drive shafts. They are boasting some adjustability here, but I don't see where there's any new features to add. Here we get a closer look at the Mickey Thompson licensed tire. This does not appear to be a belted tire, but there is some reinforced webbing that's going on in the rubber, so we'll see if that helps with the ballooning. We finally get a confirmation on the motor and speed controller in the model. Disappointingly, this is the same 3500 kV motor and VXL ESC that's in all of the Traxxas 10 scale models. We also get a confirmation on that third channel switch in the controller. They're calling this a trans brake, but I don't see any servos or braking mechanisms for the transmission itself. So this is most likely the same feature that was in the onboard audio system, where you flip the switch, hold the throttle, flip the switch again, and the vehicle will begin moving. So more like a throttle delay than a transmission brake. Here we get a teaser of what some of the LED kits may look like. There are options for white headlights and standard markers, as well as these green ones shown here. I'll be very interested to see if there'll be other color options. Well, that's going to wrap it up for some of the notable highlights in this model. Stay tuned for future videos. Once I finally get my hands on one of these, you'll see a video from me on that as well. Well, if you benefited from this video at all, please consider giving me a thumbs up, a subscription, and don't forget to hit that bell. I do mention this in all of my videos. If you're not hitting that bell, you're not getting notified when the new content goes up. So make sure you go back and do that for all of your subscriptions. Well, that'll wrap it up for this time, and I hope to see you in the next one.